There's a famous quote that says, travel, your money will return, but your time won't. What if I told you that you could get paid thousands of dollars to travel the world? Today, we're going to talk about 7 ways that you can earn money no matter where you are in the world. Before getting into today's video, I just want to say thank you for joining us with another video at the School of Hard Knocks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave us a like and subscribe because we've got a ton of more content coming your guys' way. Make sure if you aren't already, give us a follow on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. But without further ado, starting with number 1, freelancing online. Now, I know a lot of you guys may be familiar with freelancing from Fiverr or Upwork or other platforms where you can pretty much sell your services to a customer who is in need of your service. In this case, whether it's digital marketing, if you know how to run ads, if you know how to run social media management, running Google, running Facebook ads, creating content for people, creating static posts. Freelancing online is a great way to make money remote no matter where you are in the world. If you have good writing skills, you could be a freelance writer, you could be a graphic designer, even helping people edit photography, edit YouTube videos, edit TikToks. There's really no limit on the types of services that you can sell on some of these platforms. So freelancing online is a great way to make money no matter where you are in the world. The second one is a fun one, but if you're trying to get out of your country and you want to really see the world, you can work in the hospitality industry, whether that's on a cruise ship, you're part of the yacht crew on someone's boat going from Miami to the Virgin Islands. You could be a flight attendant, you could travel international. If you have a desire to go to Europe, you could become an international flight attendant and see all of the countries in Europe that you've been wanting to see, because a lot of these gigs, you're able to travel to these places and you spend a certain amount of time there all for free, and all that air travel is for free. You could also work at a resort or an international hotel. So if you say, hey, you know, I'm tired of living in the States, I want to go work in the Bahamas, I want to go live in the Bahamas, you could go work at a resort at Atlantis in the Bahamas, or various other countries, islands, wherever your heart's desire is to go and work and live. You know, working in hospitality is a great first step to getting to that point and being able to work there. The third way we have to make money anywhere in the world, the third way that we have to earn money anywhere in the world is to start an e-commerce brand. Now in this case, you find a product, whether that's through drop shipping or with a manufacturer that you know, and you come up with the details behind the deal. For example, let's say it's t-shirts. You find a manufacturer that would sell you your product for a reasonable rate, let's say $5, $10, $15, and you sell it for $20, $25, $30, so that way you can get that return on investment. Now, it doesn't have to be just t-shirts, it can be any product. We're seeing e-commerce as one of the fastest growing industries in 2022, and that's thanks to how vast digital marketing and social media are in 2022. You see all the time people starting e-commerce brands through TikTok, producing that content, diversifying, putting it on other platforms, and really growing these brands. Find a trending product, find a winning product, find a product that you're passionate about, find a designer if you need one, get a manufacturer, and sell that product and create that brand. Online platforms like Shopify are becoming more and more accessible and usable to people who want to start brands and build their own companies around a particular product. Once again, the great thing about e-commerce is once you get your store up and running, you find out the way that you want to market the product, whether that's through running paid ads on Google or Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or branded content. So creating the social media and producing a piece of viral content to help the product go viral. And once again, you can do this anywhere in the world. This next one, number 4, is arguably the most fun way to get paid to travel, and that's becoming a content creator, where you can get paid to create content for another brand or for your own personal brand. Now, the biggest thing about this though is that it's very important to build up your following before leaving, because if you just decide, hey, you know, I don't have a lot of money in the bank account, but I'm gonna just start content, I'm gonna start it out fresh and brand new at this new island, at this new country, there's a good chance that you could end up going broke and running out of money very quickly, because it's important to have that base of followers so that way brands will pay you a reasonable amount of money to promote products, and also so that you can get paid a good amount of money for the content that you're posting. In 2022, the creator economy is massive. There's so many ways to get paid as a content creator. You could be an affiliate for a brand where you market their products and take a percentage of their sales. You can sell your own products, whether it's merchandise and we talked about e-commerce, but you can literally launch your own e-commerce brand as a content creator, selling your own products. You could also take up travel blogging, write about all your experiences and become a creator in that regards. And like I said, working with brands is huge. You can become a brand ambassador, and some long-term ambassador programs will pay people $10,000, $20,000 just for a series of paid advertisements for their company to promote their products or service. Number 5 is another awesome one, and that's starting an agency. You know, if you got a passion for photography, you've learned the ins and outs of digital marketing, you know how to grow on social media, you know how to program, and you can produce code and written software for companies. These are all great ways to package your skills and start your own agency. All you need to do is market your skills to different brands, different companies, see where you can provide value for them, and get paid anywhere around the world, really. You know, if it's one thing like you have to create content for them, then that might be an instance where like you have to be there for that. But if it's something where it could be remote and they just need, you know, content strategy, starting an agency is a great way to get paid to travel the world. Number 6 is also really interesting and is a really cool way to earn income traveling all around the world. And it goes by the term of language tuition. If you are fluent in English and you learn the language of an opposing country where they may not speak English, you can get paid a lot of money. Also, your relocation, you can get paid a lot of money to teach English in a foreign country. A lot of the time there's a high demand for people who know English to teach to people, kids, adults, grown-ups, kids in school, teachers. Oftentimes, because of how high in demand, they will even pay for your relocation, and they will also pay for you to live in that country while also earning income on top of that. So language tuition and teaching English to foreign countries is a great and a very unique way to earn money while traveling the world. And this will take us into our last way to make money in 2022 from anywhere in the world, and that is being a sales representative. Whether for information technology, defense, insurance, pharmaceutical industries, all of these people need strong salespersons and sales rep to sell their products or services to other companies. Some of these massive industries are willing to pay well over $100,000 annually to people who put in the hard work on the road. If you know the sales game in and out and you have strong sales and interpersonal relationship skills, then this is a great way to make money remote on your own. With that being said, that wraps it up for our 7 ways to make money and earn an income living anywhere in the world. Again, if you learned something in this video, make sure to leave us a like, leave us a subscribe. We got tons of great new content coming out, and make sure that you're following us on all of our platforms. Have a great day.